Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 15th Ave, Mr. Border City. Today our this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford Explorer Limited. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. Over to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels, including Hankook tires, as well as color-match handles and mirror caps. This 2022 Explorer also comes with a remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera and reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings to door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating. There's also looking at the side, as well as a lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our control options on the left and our medium heavy option on the right, just above being a rearview mirror on the cabin lighting. Looking forward to our center face, the options available looking ahead, you'll see that this 2022 Ford Explorer has 29,603 kilometers, and then looking over at center face, the options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Ford Explorer Limited, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.